Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a simple crochet cord. It's 3 simple single crochets in the round, and it creates this really pretty cord right here. Here's another cord I've done. This one is with a kind of a twine, and this one's just done with some cotton yarn, similar to this cotton yarn. I'm going to start off just by making the slip knot, and then I'm going to do 3 chains. I'm going to add a little bit more light because I don't think you can see what I'm doing. That might be too much light. There's 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go into the first one, the back loop, insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops, single crochet. And I'm going to insert into the second chain stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And this one right here was the third one. I'm going to insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Now you're just going to continue the single crochet in all 3 loops from there. All of the 3 previous single crochets. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. You're just working it around in those 3 stitches. So insert the hook, draw up the loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Insert the hook, draw up the loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Insert the hook, draw up the loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So that's just a single crochet. Insert the hook. Alright, so I have the cord the length I want it. So I'm just going to do a couple more stitches to show you how to finish it off. So this is about the length. So I'm going to go into 1 or 2 more stitches just so you can see how to finish it off. Insert the hook. I'll start over from where I left off. Alright, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through both loops. Here's where I'm going to end it off, right here. And let me do 1 or 2 more. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, single crochet through both loops. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over. Okay, now I'm done. So I am just gonna I'm gonna insert the hook. I'm just gonna pull through these 2 loops right here, and I'm gonna pull through the last loop just to kind of knot it off and pull it kind of tight. And then I'm gonna tuck in the ends with a yarn needle. That isn't going very well, is it? Just have to pull it a little tighter. There we go. There we go. I'm just going to feed it all the way through the end of my cord. There we go. I think that's in far enough. And I'm just going to cut that off right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. Hopefully this one will go a little easier. Maybe not. There we go. Nope, maybe not. There we go. Push it right through the cord. There we go. Take it right down the center. Cut that off. There we go. Now I have a belt. And I'll show you what it looks like on the dress I'm going to wear. Here's the finished project on the dress that I like to wear different colors of cords. You can also use these cords to use as purse straps. This is a purse I made a while ago. This isn't the exact stitch I used on this cord, but you certainly could use those cords to attach them to a purse that you've made. This is my first video. I hope to be showing you more things you can do when you learn how to crochet cords in the round. There's lots of projects you can do. Bracelets with beads, just a matter of sliding the beads down on the cord that you're crocheting with. I've made several bracelets in the past with this technique, just by slip stitching beads down on the yarn or thread or whatever you're using. And I'll have more videos in the future to show you how to crochet with the beads in the round. I hope you enjoyed the video.